Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 4 October 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 12, the Himalayan range. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we had done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, we are doing the book exercises of the chapter and we have completed question number A, that is tick the correct answer. These are the MCQ questions, and after that we have completed question number B also, match the following. So in today's video we will start with question number C, write true or false. So let's start with the first question. The Himalayan range, the Himachal range has no trees. So first question is the Himachal range has no trees. So this is the false statement. Lot of vegetation you will see in the Himachal range, that is the middle Himalayas. So lot of vegetation you will see in this area. So and it is given that the Himachal range has no trees. So this is the false statement. Question number 2. The Himalayas are very useful to us. So in this question it is given, student, the Himalayas are very useful to us. Yes, this is the true statement, student. The Himalayas, because Himalayas act as a natural boundary and it protect us from the foreign invasions, and the snow cover peaks fill our rivers with water all year around, and from the forest we are getting the wood, medicine, fruits and lot of other things, or many animals such as snow leopard, tiger, rhinoceros and wild yak are found in this region. So that is the reason Himalayas are very useful to us. So this is a true statement. Question number 3. The highest peak in India is India is Mount Everest. Highest peak in India is Mount Everest. So student, Mount Everest is, this is not a true statement. What is the reason for that? Reason is that Mount Everest is in other country, our neighboring country, that is in Nepal. So the highest peak in India is Mount Everest. This is the false statement. The highest peak of our country is Kanchenjunga. Okay, the highest peak of our country is Kanchenjunga, and this Mount Everest is in our neighboring country, that is known as Nepal. Question number 4. Terrace farming is very popular in Himalayas. So terrace farming is very popular in Himalaya. Yes, this is a true statement. In the Shivalik range, where you will find the hills, okay, not mountain. In Shivalik range, you will find the hills, and stepwise hills are cut stepwise for the farming. So terrace farming is very popular in Himalayas is a true statement. Question number 5. Tarai are flat marshy areas found in Himalayas. So Tarai are flat marshy area found in Himalayas. So this is the true statement, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो सॉइल होती है उसमें वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, दलदली टाइप की सॉइल होती है. ठीक है, यहाँ के सॉइल में क्या होता है बेटा, वाटर की अमाउंट क्या आता है, ज़्यादा होता है, दलदली होती है मिट्टी यहाँ की. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. You can take a screenshot also. Now let's start with the question number D, short answer question. Question number 1. Name the trees found in the Himachal range. Name the trees found in Himachal range. In Himachal, it is given range, not region. So these are the middle Himalayas. Okay, these are the middle Himalayas. Now the tree found in Himachal range are pine, oak, deodar and fir. Okay, so these are the trees which are found in the Himachal range. Note down the answer. The trees found in Himachal range are pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. So name the tree found in Himachal range. The tree found in Himachal range are pine, oak, deodar and fir. Okay. Now note down the second question. What is the second question? Why do we find no trees or plants in Himadri? Okay. So when we are talking about the Himalayan range, so Himadri is the highest, or you can, the other name of the Himadri is also known as the Greater Himalayas. यहाँ के माउंटेन्स की जो हाइट है बहुत ज़्यादा है. यहाँ एवरेज हाइट माउंटेन्स की 6000 मीटर है. 6000 मीटर से कोई भी स्मॉल माउंटेन नहीं है. एक एवरेज हाइट मानी गई है कि यहाँ के जो माउंटेन है उनकी एवरेज हाइट 6000 मीटर है. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन स्टूडेंट. एंड दीज माउंटेन्स whole year these mountains are covered with the snow. That is the reason we don't find trees in this region. Okay, so note down the second question. Question number 2. Why do we find no trees or plants in Himadri? So note down the answer. We find no trees or plants. We find no trees or plants in Himadri because, what is the reason? Because mountains are always covered with snow. ठीक है, we find no trees or plants in Himadri because mountains are always covered with snow. Is it clear? Mountains are always covered with a snow. That is the reason we don't find trees or plants in Himadri range. Next question is, who were the first two people to climb Mount Everest? So, who were the first two persons to climb Mount Everest? Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing, Norway, were the first two people to climb Mount Everest. Question 3. Who were the first two people to climb Mount Everest? So note down the answer. Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norway were the first two person first two people who climb Mount Everest. Okay. Thank you, student.